Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps closing on the application of UNO. You will go to settings. Then this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list we will search about the application of UNO and you will enter here to this page. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. As you see here, we will go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.